secret room in Natural Disaster. If you stand in the center of the lobby, you'll see a button on the floor. Click it, and it descends your character into a secret lab made for the Mega Hunt. Inside, you'll find a Roblox studio monument, a bunch of piping, screens, but most importantly, a room with mini versions of the survival maps. There's Arch Park, Launchland, Roblox HQ, and Heights School. But the best part, underneath these maps are buttons that let you apply the game's disasters on the maps. Subscribe for more secrets.